वेलकम टू स्मिता ठाकरे एकेडमी। आज के सेशन में हम देखने वाले हैं इलिस्ट्रेशन एंड प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट, चैप्टर नंबर 9, पेज नंबर 379, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 14। कैलकुलेट द ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशियो। सेल्स 2,70,000, नेट परचेसेस 1,50,000, sales ratio. There is a printing mistake in the textbook. It is not a sales ratio but sales return 20,000. Make the correction in your textbooks. Closing stock 25,000, operating stock 45,000. Solution: gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit upon sales into 100. First step, calculate the net sales. Net sales is equal to sales minus sales return. 2,70,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 2,50,000. So net sales is 2,50,000. Second step, calculate cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is equal to opening stock plus net purchases minus closing stock. 45,000 plus 1,50,000 minus 25,000. Cost of goods sold is 1,70,000. Third step, calculate gross profit. Gross profit is equal to net sales minus cost of goods sold. 2,50,000 minus 1,70,000. Therefore, gross profit is 80,000. Fourth step, calculation of gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by net sale into 100. 80,000 divided by 2,50,000 into 100. Answer is 32%. So, gross profit ratio is 32%. Page number 367. Illustration number 6. Calculate the gross profit ratio. Information given is sales 5,40,000, sales return 40,000, operating stock 90,000, net purchases 3 lakh, closing stock 50,000. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit upon net sales into 100. First we will calculate cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is equal to opening stock plus purchases, closing stock, that is 90,000 plus 3 lakh plus 50,000 is equal to 3,40,000. It is cost of goods sold. Second step, net sales is equal to sales minus sales return. सेल इज 5,40,000, उसमें से सेल्स रिटर्न को माइनस करना है 40,000. सो योर नेट सेल विल बी 5 lakh. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू नेट सेल्स माइनस कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड, दैट इज 5 lakh minus 3,40,000. So the answer will be 1,60,000. That will be your gross profit. Now the calculation of gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by net sales into 100. 1,60,000 divided by 5 lakh into 100. The answer is 32%. Page number 368, illustration number 7. Compute gross profit ratio from the following information. Sales 5 lakh, gross profit ratio is 25% on cost. Solution: gross profit is 25% on cost. इसका मतलब कॉस्ट प्राइस आपकी 100 है तो सेलिंग प्राइस होगी 125, बिकॉज सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट प्लस प्रॉफिट. कॉस्ट 100 है, प्रॉफिट 25 है, so the selling price is 125. Hence, if the selling are 125, then the gross profit is 25. If the sales are 5 lakh, then gross profit will be as follows. Gross profit is equal to 5 lakh into 25 divided by 125 is equal to 1 lakh. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by net sales into 100, that is 1 lakh divided by 5 lakh into 100 is equal to 20%. Page number 361. Example. If gross profit of the business is 30,000 and sales is 1,20,000, calculate gross profit ratio. Solution. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by net sales into 100. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट प्रॉब्लम में दिया हुआ है 30,000, उसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे 1,20,000 से, विच इज सेल्स, इनटू 100. सो द परसेंटेज विल बी 25% एज अ ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशियो, एंड दस इट्स express quantitative relationship between two items or group of items.